It's a 2017 Cadillac XT5. Smart and intuitive, driving this XT5 will feel like second nature. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, smart device navigation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.